Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can download, install and activate any K7 antivirus product on your Windows PC. So let's get started. To begin with, simply open your browser and search for K7. From the search results, click on product downloads. Here you will get all the antivirus types. So based on the license you have, download the product. Like I have K7 Ultimate Security, so I'll download it. Once the setup file downloads, simply right click over it and run it as administrator. And finally click on install. Once installed, it will ask you to register the product. Simply enter the details and register your product. Once activated, click on close. Now you will have this dashboard. So the first thing you will do is click on update and run the update now. So this will update all the virus definition files on your computer. So once it is done, you can perform scan on your PC. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.